regarding how to print a series or print the sum of the series, which are very common questions in our exams. So let's print 1 3 5 7 9 this pattern, this series. So this is basically a series of odd numbers as 1 3 5 7 up to 29. So basically we need a for loop for that, and we are using a for loop I equals to 1, I less than 30 because 29, so less than 30, and I plus equals to 2. Why I plus equals to 2? Because we can see the common difference is 2 as so 1 3 5 7. So for solving a series we just basically need to identify the common difference or the common ratio. We have seen in maths like that AP, GP, even the harmonic progression series and all those series. So basically if you relate with those stuffs you will find the biggest similarity, so common difference. So if you think this as an AP, so then the common difference is 2. So basically updation is nothing but changing the data according to our common difference or the common ratio, or what is the difference between the two occurring numbers. So in updation we just need to orient our looping variable I according to our need. So in here we need to print odd numbers, so that's why we are updating the each variable with 2. So 1 plus 2 3, then 3 plus 2 5, and if we want to print the sum of this series, when we can do it like this, int s equals to 0, and just here s is equals to s plus I. Why s equals to 0? If we do not use s equals to 0, there will be a problem, because we need to first initialize a variable. In some cases, in depending upon the compilers, we even may not declare the initializer. It will automatically declare it as 0 in the system. And while printing while printing the sum, we need to print the sum outside the loop, because otherwise recurring statements will occur every time. So just here, plus s, just clearing this output, otherwise it will look haphazard. So basically we can see the sum is 225. So if we use calculator, we will see the same output only. And what will be the difference if we use this print statement within the loop? So let's see that also. I'm literally feeling lazy to type that, that's why. Yeah. So we can see how the change is occurring. That sum is first 1, 0 plus 1, then we saw that it's 1 3, so 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus, then 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7, like this it will occur till 27, means the sum till 27 plus 29, which will give 225. So 196 plus 29 is resulting 225. Yeah, that's all.